Hello to everyone, you are welcome to my channel, Felix Techno Aids. Today I'm going to show you how you can check if your washing machine has problem with bearing burrs. If you are new here on this channel, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit subscribe button so that you get notified once we upload a new video. So this washing machine has an issue with bearing burrs. First of all, you have to open this door. So if you have opened this door, you have to check this drum. You check vertical motion, like this, lift. You see, if I lift it, here there is, you see that it moves up and down. So if it is normal, it has to be fixed, not moving up and down. You see, this is the first symptom. The second, you can turn it by using your hands. For this one, you can hear the normal sound coming from the drum. First step is to check the vertical motion of this drum, inner drum. Can you push it up and push it down to see if it moves? If it moves, it is defective. The bearing balls are defective. This one. The second is to turn it by your hand. For this one, you hear that is rubbing against something inside. So another thing is to check here, because the bearings are located behind part of the washing machine. So I'm going to loosen these screws and open here. If the bearing balls are defective, water leaks from here, because the bearings are located here. I hope you can see here. So now I'm gonna loosening this big screw. I'm going to use this 18mm wrench spanner. Or you can use the 17. Wrench is better. This one. Make sure you have a hammer. So me, I don't have it. I'm going to use this stone. You see? You can use a hammer. Even if you don't have a hammer, don't say that it cannot come out. Try your best. Me, I'm using a stone, but you see it is coming out. It is not easy to loosen because it has power magnet. It has power magnet. Also, I can come here and pull. You can see that the bearings are totally defective here. This is the bearing bars numbers here. Waiting on this. Can you see the bearing bars are totally defective? You can see that water went here inside. This is a stator, you see here. I can show you. This is a stator of the motor. In next video, I will show you how to replace bearings board. If you are not yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe today. Make sure you leave first a comment and give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.